Hello everyone, today I want to showcase my small plugin, Vimproviser. I made it to repeat motions. It has capability to repeat many motions and you can add your own. And the idea comes from the dot command from Vim, which repeats the last change you made. For example, CIW changes inside the word. Once I did that, I can use that to repeat this change once and again and as many times as I want. But we don't have a command to repeat motions like this. And there are simple motions, like going over a paragraph, but some motions can be quite annoying to repeat again and again. So I made this plugin. Let's see what it can do. Let's start by paragraphs. You can notice I have a current pair that Vimproviser maps displayed in the status line. So now the keys that I use are H and L. They are mapped to the paragraph motion. If I press L, I go over a paragraph, which is just a tiny bit easier than pressing a curly brace, but it's still easier. And for some task, when I want to repeat a certain motion over and over again, it is quite helpful. For example, if I use a location list, let's load something into location list. Let's say this. Now I have a location list. Usually I am using a Vim Unpaired plugin, which provides some mappings for the same basically motions that I have Vimproviser concerned with. And the Vim Unpaired provides bracket L to go over a location list, which is nice and all, but it has 2 keystrokes and I want it to be 1. So let's use Vimproviser. It will map a location list pair, and now I can do L instead of bracket L, and H to go back. If I want to go back to going over paragraphs, I can do this, and now H and L are going over paragraphs. So this is nice. It can allow it basically the same as you would do a remap on the fly, but shorter. Still, there is a room for improvement, and improvement was found. I came up with a thing called triggers. Let's see. So Vimproviser trigger, what is it? This is a key combination that already has some function. For example, search. Example search. So in normal mode, and the capital N go over search item. So if I do let, for example, I can press N to go to the next search and capital N to go to the previous match. Since I defined these keys to be triggers for the search pair, Vimproviser has remembered that the last pair that I interacted with was search. So now I can use Vimproviser last to switch to the search pair, which of course allows me to use H and L. Go to the next and previous search. So that's in Vimproviser. Give it a try and tell me what you think about it. Goodbye.